Hi, in this tutorial we will review how to monitor auxiliary inputs on an NetAXS 123 using the web interface. Begin by opening it using Google Chrome. Once on the dashboard, locate the menu icon at the top left corner and then hit Device Management. By default, you will appear at Space and Doors. You will need to move to Auxiliary Connections. Then, you're gonna find the inputs of your panel and also the status. You can actually execute some actions from here. You can shunt or unshunt, or if needed, restore the time zone.
For more information and videos, please visit our webpage https://honeywelldiscovertraining.com.